Hey guys, we are back after a long break from Shop Walk and YouTube. We are filming again, and this is our first episode, so check it out. Let's see what's going on in the shop. Man, that's looking good. The top to the 91 Land Rover Defender. Starting to take shape. How many layers and coats is that?
There's 3 layers of carbon fiber. And I don't know how many coats of resin we're at. But I'm gonna put 1 more coat of resin on it, and then it'll get sanded down and clear coated. Gotta get all these little bubbles.
Yeah.
All the bubbles and dimples out of it. And then it'll be ready for clear.
So when you sand it, it'll get those bubbles and all that, and then you'll clear it one more, or?
Yeah, it'd be like wet sanding a car.
Yeah.
Makes the same idea. Sand the texture out of it, and then re-clear it.
Jerry's just supervising.
Yeah, watching him milk it.
Milk it?
Milking it.
Huh.
Is that what they tell you?
That's what they said.
Who said that to you?
I guess everyone but you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did you hear
Well,
that?
what they don't realize is he's only working on it 3 hours a day, right?
Yeah. See, I said that, and then Travis said, "Well, we go by days." So it's
Yeah.
like, even though I'm only getting 3 hours.
Well, you'll
prefer it
learn. You'll
3
learn that
days.
that's Travis's math.
Yeah.
He calculates in a different way.
Okay.
He also works 36 hours a week. He said, or 36 hours a day
Okay.
as well.
All right.
So that tells you what kind of math he does.
I got it now.
This side's looking pretty good.
Yeah, I was in here doing this and found out that wheel wells had been ground through, or
Yeah.
not the wheel well lip, the lip,
Yep.
and it had to go back and re-weld it and redo the body work on it.
Gotcha.
It's just it's little stuff like that that always can't show up.
Starting to take shape. We're gonna paint it next week.
Yeah, if we can.
Oh, we got a short week. Okay, never mind.
Yeah. Making jokes on me now?
Well, that's
You're making short jokes.
no.
No short
No,
jokes.
I wasn't even thinking that. You're the one that thought that.
Nah, I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
I wasn't even thinking that.
So you say
No, yeah.
that's what everybody says.
Hey, did I just notice something? Does he got a rat tail now?
Yeah. Well, see, it was supposed to be Rusty's rat tail,
Dang.
but Rusty didn't want it. And it's actually carbon fiber.
Huh.
Mm-hmm. It's a little carbon fiber weave.
Dang. Why'd y'all got Lewis in the corner for?
Well, he was scaring somebody in the bathroom
Oh.
earlier,
Okay.
but we'll move him now.
Huh. That's Travis's buddy right there. Hey, can you tell me everything you've done to this Defender in about 3 minutes?
No.
Where is he taking Lewis? Oh, he's gonna put him on in the Camaro. He's your ride or die right there, boy. For those of y'all who've watched our videos before, I just want to let you know that this car has been sitting here for about 5 years, and it's Travis's. It's not a customer's car, so that's why it's still sitting there. We never get a chance to work on it. Okay, we're going to do a math class here. This is Travis's arithmetic class, and we're gonna discuss something here.
What are we discussing?
Well, yesterday when you were out picking up Taterhead, we were talking about how many hours Brian spent on the hood, aka Carl.
Carl.
And you were saying he spent way too much time. I said, well, you know, 3 hours a day. Well, he said Travis counts as a day's a day. I said, well,
Days a day.
well,
He's got weeks in it.
so I told him that you had a very unique opinion on time.
I do.
Like you work 36 hours in a day type
do.
thing.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Okay.
can you explain that to Carl?
Really now? I mean,
Well, I mean, I don't know. I mean,
it's so complicated. I'm not even sure if I can still.
I think it's worse than calculus, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I mean, it's like
I don't quite understand it.
I'll have to bring out my drawings tomorrow. So
Oh,
maybe if you, yeah, I'll
There's
bring out my,
diagrams to it.
well, it's calculations. So
Okay.
I mean, he's got graphs and PR
Yeah.
square, PI square. What is it?
it's pi square.
Oh, that's pi
you know,
square. Yeah,
Oh boy.
It's
kind of sophisticated.
it's
but
like Newton's 8th law type stuff, you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
I got you.
you know all about that. Greenville Tech's teaching you.
Of course.
somehow, I mean, he fits 36 hours into a 24-hour day.
I do.
So, but I just
I'm
figured
not even
it.
sure how I came up with that.
I just figured it out.
But
I just figured it out because Travis has multiple personalities, therefore he can
I'm
do.
charging
It's
for all
like
my different
you got plain old Travis, then you got Professor T, and then you got Mr. Awesome.
yeah.
So that's 3 9-hour days. That's 27 hours right there.
Yeah.
So I just figured it out. That's simple.
There you go.
So all you gotta do is get some more personalities. And the hell with hiring anybody, we'll just charge out by
just charge
personality.
them for all. This is whoever's working on what.
Oh goodness. That's our business plan for 2023.
How many personalities you got? One? You're not hired.
You're not hired.
You need at
We need at
least
least 2
two.
or 3.
2 to 3. Yes.
You know how to use that thing?
Watch YouTube.
You bent that thing all up in wrong pieces.
That right there.
That right there? Huh. Well, I'll be dog. Look at that. It fits perfect. Like a jigsaw puzzle. Uh-huh. Tyler likes body work. Watch this. Hey Tyler,
Hey.
are you new to the body shop?
Yeah.
You love it, don't you?
No. I can't stand it.
Are you being put on restrictions or something, or being punished for having to come to the body shop and work?
I don't know, but I know Rusty's jealous.
He's jealous?
Rusty's very jealous.
Oh, he did the dash and he was wore out after that.
He was, but he's jealous. I'm working on my tank. See,
Well, looks good. What's that for?
it's the intake for the Defender.
Oh, yes.
So the tube will come in there for the intake.
The turbo?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's
Travis
that?
started on that one, but
We got distracted.
yeah.
Oh, it's like Tool Truck Tuesday, baby.
I hear you. What kind of specials you got on that tool truck?
The only reason I come here is to get the monsters.
That's not nice.
I'm just kidding.
You come to visit Lewis? Have you met Lewis yet?
I did. He getting ready to buy the next Mac toolbox.
Oh yeah?
Is that right, Lewis?
He's kind of quiet.
Yep, yep.
He's kind of, we waiting on.
Shop walk. What's this shop walk?
I don't even know what number. We starting back. We've
Yeah,
been
we
on a
starting back.
1-year hiatus.
There we go.
Let's go to the tool truck.
Let's check it out. Big Jerry gonna buy something today.
Oh, you gonna get some tools, Jerry?
Look, once you go Mac, you don't go back. So that's why we're here today on the tool truck, Mac tool truck.
Because he ain't gonna have nothing else to sell.
They looking for deals. They looking for deals.
Yeah. So
They
let's
looking
see
for
what
deals.
kind of deal we can work today. Damn razor.
Bryce,
The whole thing.
you're wasting my time. What you got on special today on Tool Truck
Alright,
Tuesday?
What we need today, boys? What you done?
We got beef
Oh, they
jerky.
talking about
Got
money?
beef jerky for
Beef-
$12.
Beef jerky, $12.
How much are
Well,
the
if you
Slim
can't
Jim?
do that, then we'll do 2 for $1 on the Slim Jim.
2 for $1 on the
Look at
Slim.
that.
That's a half a Slim Jim.
I know. That's why it's 2 for $1. You gotta buy 2 to make it 1.
Okay.
Like that.
And that's $1.
Oh yeah.
I'll give you one 50 cents.
I can do that. I gotta eat today.
So we're building cooking stacks now.
That looks like it's the vent off of a stove or something coming out the
Yeah. For a mini house, mini home,
mini home.
tiny home. That's what they call it.
Oh, is that what we call diversification?
It's for the tiny home with the tiny fridge. And we're making tank tops.
Or a hanger.
A hanger?
Hey,
No, it's a tank.
I got a question. Is Tyler being punished or something because he don't like body work?
Well, you know what?
Are you teaching him a new skill without him really knowing you're teaching him a new skill?
Yes.
Tyler said, I don't really care about this skill.
Well, for his future, he's gonna need to know how to do it all.
Yeah, that's true.
So
I just think that's so bad enough to get kicked out of
I heard the other day he got kicked out of the paint booth because he mixed something up wrong.
luckily it got hard.
Hey, you need to, hold on a minute. Back up, rewind.
It took a while, but it got hard.
No, don't say that
It had
either.
to warm up to it. But it did get hard.
What did?
The clear.
Oh,
Where are you at?
well, I mean,
Help him out the gutter. So yeah, hey, mix this with this with this. Yeah, it didn't work. So we're talking about tests in school, and he's like, yeah,
talking about who?
test, take a test in school.
Oh, test in school, yeah.
Yeah. So he's talking about picking the, studying or whatever. He didn't know good. He's like, that's like doing math questions. I do my formula, and if I come up with 126, and the closest answer was 125, well, it must be 125. He said, I just picked the closest answer that was to my answer.
Sounds logical to me.
I mean, he's like,
Look at
that's-
Mikey trying to get in on our video
it. I graduated.
And they let you graduate.
in 4 years, on time.
All in
4
4
years.
years. On time. Not a day sooner, not a day later.
That's it for this episode of Shop Walk. We appreciate you watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. Like the video, tell others, hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time.